This table was not in good shape when I found it. The legs were a little bent up, so I had removed them. Next, I gotta remove this rusty hardware. Not all the screws match, so I know it had been worked on before me. To remove these, you could use a Phillips head screwdriver. To remove the remaining, you would use a flathead screwdriver. Here I'm using a Ryobi drill bit driver set and a DeWalt XR drill. Glue on and clamp loose veneer. The legs here are solid wood, but the tabletop is surrounded with wood veneer. Fortunately, it was thick enough that I didn't sand through it. Before staining, I wanted to add some additional character to the legs. So I had taped them 2 inches from the bottom and spray painted them gold. Here I'm using Rust-Oleum metallic finish. I also sprayed the hardware with fresh paint to look like new. I'm sad I didn't get a direct picture or video of the hardware when I painted it, but you can see it later in the video. Once it dried, I taped up the painted part to protect it from the stain. There is a more detailed video on the staining process for this coffee table in the description below. This wood didn't match the veneer on the tabletop, so I did use 2 different colors. Right here I'm using golden oak. Later on I cover it with a dark walnut to make it this dark. For the top, I'm just using the golden oak by itself. This is a very light stain. For this wood veneer, you didn't need very much color to make it look really nice. I could have put something clear and it still would have turned out great with some wax or clear coat. To protect my work, I made a wipe-on poly. You can find the detailed video in the description as well. I did several coats of this wipe-on poly, sanding with cardboard in between each coat. So I did get this piece for free. It was thrown out originally. Now it's sold within the hour. Thank you for watching this furniture fabrication.